Nathan, what are you doing? Is that your placemat to eat on? Okay, you put it on the floor. Yeah. What are you doing that for? Pick it up. Make it. Crypto coming to get you. Okay, now you can step on it good. Good boy. Do you think that's like the bubble wrap I showed you? Okay, let's go take a bath. Nathan. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I'm gonna get you. I gotcha.